So Dave isn't home. He's at the Cubs game. So Hannah and I love Chipotle. Dave is not a big fan, but we are. And we are going there to get our favorite.
The salad.
Yep.
The reason why it's our favorite is because of the salad dressing. But
They never give us enough dressing.
so we're going to teach you how to make it at home.
So this is what you use to make the dressing.
So you need oregano leaves, honey, red wine vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, most importantly, the chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and salt and pepper. First, you're going to put 6 tablespoons of the red wine vinegar into a blender. Then 3 tablespoons of honey.
You also need vegetable oil. We're not perfect, but now we have the ingredients.
Then 3/4 cup vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to your liking. Some oregano.
Then you put in your 2 cloves of garlic.
Then 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Then you blend. I forgot to turn it on. I forgot to plug it in. Now you blend. Now I'm going to pour it into the container and we'll head to Chipotle.
Let's go home and eat. Here is mine. Look at how beautiful this looks. And here's the dressing they gave us. It's amazing as always.